If you want to buy a cheap domain for your business or your personal work, then you are in the right place. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how can you buy a cheap domain for your business or your personal work. So here I will show you some provider which they provide domain and hosting. So here is the popular one. You can see this is the Namecheap, and if you want to buy a .com domain, you have to pay $6.49 per year, but this is for only new customer only. That means if you are new in this website, then you can buy between this $6.49. But if you are not new, I mean if you are old in that, so you have to pay $14.98. So this is really quite expensive. And if you looking for another one, I go for Hostinger.com here, and whenever we go to pricing about the domain, you can see they saying 2.99 first year. But if you want to buy this one, because it show only for 3 year, if you don't want to buy for 3 year, you can't get the price here. So let's see what is the exactly amount. If I buy this domain, you can see 2.99 per first year. When I click it, make it yours, it will show the exact amount for 3 year. You can see the amount of 39.57. This is only for 3 year. If I go for 1 year, it will show $9.99. It's also a huge amount. When you get the fee also, you can see that $10.19. So that's also very huge if you want to buy a cheap host domain. So here is the website. You can buy a .com domain for cheap rate for the first year. You can see .com domains are just $4.99 for the first year. So it's also really cheap for your domain. You can also check this, but it's really annoying. So simply you can get your domain here. Please try your search again. So here you can see that's a really big problem here. Now you can see the prices are $4.99. You can simply just buy now here, and also you can see the other domains also. But we want to get the .com domain. You can simply buy now here, and you can see the price with the other fee. So at $4.99, and this is only for 1 year. Just simply set your billing address and simply buy it from here. And also if you can see the 2 years price, $24.98. So you can see both are the same price right now. But when you buy your domain for 3 years, you can simply choose the Hostinger. You can see their price are $39.57, and you can see this is the price is above then. So I hope you will like this video. If you like this video, do like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much.